हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल गेट इन बायो वर्ल्ड। प्लीज़ लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। सो स्टूडेंट्स, our next lesson is cell, the unit of life. When we look around, we see different types of the living organisms are present, including human, plants, animals, and the microorganisms. All these living organisms are composed of the cell. Some are composed of the single cell, that's why it is called as the unicellular organisms, while others like us, composed of many cells, are called as the multicellular organisms. On the basis of the number of cells, cell is divided into unicellular organisms and the multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms example is amoeba, and the multicellular organism is human being and the other higher animals. Now, first of all, we see what is cell. Cell is the fundamental and the structural functional unit of the living organism. Is the basic, structural and the functional unit of the living organisms. Means living organism के सारे structure and functional work किसके through होते हैं? Is the cell. Through the cell. That's why it is the fundamental, structural and the functional unit of the living organism. Anton van Leeuwenhoek is the name of the microbiologist who first saw and described the live cell, and Robert Brown later discovered the nucleus. This is the cell, and inside the cell nucleus is present, and this nucleus is first of all described by the Robert Brown. Firstly, the Anton van Leeuwenhoek saw and described the live cells, and inside the live cells the nucleus is present. It is explained or discovered by the Robert Brown. Now the invention of the microscopes and its improvement leading to the electron microscope revealed all structural detail of the cell. These all details of this cell means inside the cell many organelles are present, and the how the cell is look like, it is explained by the electron microscope. Now cell theory. In 1838, Malthus Sheldon, a German botanist, examined a large number of the plants and observed that all plants are composed of different kinds of cells which form the tissues of the plant. Malthus Sheldon in 1838 examined a large number of the plant. After examination, he observed that all plants are composed of these different kinds of cells, and these cells togetherly form the tissue of the plant. Now, at about the same time, the Theodore Schwann, 1839, a British zoologist. See, this is important for the NEET questions. A German botanist named the Malthus Sheldon, and the British zoologist named the Theodore Schwann, who performed the work on plants and the animals respectively. Theodore Schwann, a British zoologist, studied the different types of animals and reported that cell had a thin outer layer which is today known as the plasma membrane. And he also concluded, based on his studies on plant tissue, that the presence of cell wall is the unique character of the plant cell. He observed that, or he concluded that from the plant tissues studies, that the plant cell consists of the outer covering which is called as the cell wall, which is the unique character of the plant, and this cell wall is absent in the animal cell. On the basis of this, Schwann proposed the hypothesis: the bodies of the animals and plants are composed of the cell and the products of cell. और इसके hypothesis के through Schwann ने क्या propose किया? Plant and animal are composed of the cell and the products of the cell. Cell से प्लांट्स और एनिमल कंपोज्ड होते हैं, और उसके जो सेल के प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं वो भी हेल्प करते हैं एनिमल और प्लांट्स के कंपोजिशन में बॉडी के. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज शील्डन एंड श्वान टुगेदरली फॉर्मुलेटेड द सेल थ्योरी. अब ये सेल थ्योरी को दोनों ने मिलकर क्या किया? एक जूलॉजिस्ट है और एक बॉटनिस्ट है, दोनों ने मिलकर फॉर्मुलेट किया सेल थ्योरी. एंड दिस थ्योरी डिड नॉट एक्सप्लेन हाउ द न्यू सेल इज फॉर्म्ड. बट ये थ्योरी फेल हो गई. इन्होंने एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया क्या किया कि हाउ द न्यू सेल इज फॉर्म. दैट्स वाई द रुडोल्फ विर्चो Name of the scientist. In 1855, first explained the cell divided into new cell and formed from pre-existing cell. Cell में कैसे हो गया डिवाइडेशन होता है और वो सेल किधर से फॉर्म होते हैं from the pre-existing cell. He modified the hypothesis of Sheldon and Schwann to give the cell theory फाइनल शेप और उसके बाद उन्होंने सेल थ्योरी को एक फाइनल शेप दिया. नाउ इन आवर प्रेजेंट डेज द सेल थ्योरी अंडरस्टूड एज first living organisms are composed of cell and the product of cells and the cell arises from the pre-existing cell. अभी शील्डन का एंड श्वान का जो थेरी था सेल थेरी वो फेल हो गया. उसके बाद रुडल विर्चो ने क्या किया उसको फाइनल शेप दिया एंड आफ्टर द फाइनल शेप द सेल थेरी इन प्रेजेंट डेज आर कंसिडर्ड एज ए लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ सेल and their products of the cell and cells arises from the pre-existing cells. This is the cell theory which is understood in today's days. Now we will see an overview of the cell. So you have early observed that cell is an onion peel, cells in an onion peel or a human cheeks under the microscope. माइक्रोस्कोप के थ्रू में हमने देखेंगे अब अनियन पिल्स के और ह्यूमन चीक्स के सेल कैसे होते हैं. दी अनियन सेल विच इज़ अ टिपिकल प्लांट सेल. अनियन सेल कैसा होगा ये प्लांट का एक सेल है. दिस टिपिकल प्लांट सेल हैज़ अ डिस्टिंक्ट सेल वॉल एज इट्स बाउंड्री. प्लांट सेल में क्या होता है एक इसका बाउंड्री होता है विच इज़ कॉल्ड सेल वॉल. इसको बोलेंगे हम cell wall is the distinct cell wall as it acts as a boundary. Just within its a cell membrane is present and inside the cell wall a cell membrane is present. क्या present होता है इधर cell membrane is present in the plant cell. These cells of the human cheeks have an outer membrane as the delimiting structure of the cell. But human cheek cell means animal cell which outer membrane is a delimiting structure of the cell. means इसमें कैसा होता है cell wall absent होता है. inside each cell is a dense membrane bound structure called nucleus. और अभी प्लांट और एनिमल दोनों के सेल के ईच सेल में कैसे होते हैं डेंस मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियस. दिस इज द सेल एंड इनसाइड द सेल न्यूक्लियस इज प्रेजेंट. सो these nucleus contain the chromosome and these nucleus contain chromosome which in turn contain the genetic material DNA. सेल के अंदर बॉडी में न्यूक्लियस होता है and this nucleus contain the chromosomes and this chromosome contain the genetic material named as a DNA. Now cell that have a membrane bound nuclei are called eukaryote whereas cell that lack the membrane bound nuclei are prokaryote. अभी इसी में भी सेल में कैसे हो गए फर्स्ट सेल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द क्वांटिटी डिवाइडेड इनटू मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड द यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स. बट दिस cell is also divided into plant cell and the animal cell. But in some cells the membrane bound nuclei are present. In some cell the membrane bound nuclei are present which is called as eukaryotic. But in some cell the lack of the membrane bound nucleus means absence of the membrane bound nucleus which is called prokaryote. अभी इधर भी सेल के membrane bound nuclei के presence और absence पे सेल डिवाइड होती है prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. Inside the cell membrane bound nuclei are present which is called as the eukaryotic cell and the lack or the absence of the membrane bound nuclei it is called as the prokaryotic cell. Understand? Now in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell a semi-fluid matrix called cytoplasm occupy the volume of the cell. अभी both prokaryotic and the eukaryotic cell consist of the cytoplasm. Inside the cell cytoplasm is present. This type of structure is present in cell which is called as the cytoplasm. Is the semi-fluid liquid is called cytoplasm and this cytoplasm is the semi-fluid liquid or matrix which is called cytoplasm and it occupies the volume of the cell. And the cytoplasm of the is the main arena of the cellular activities. Arena means a central part बोलेंगे इसको मीन्स जिधर सारे के सारे एक्टिविटीज़ परफॉर्म होते हैं इज द सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द सेलुलर एक्टिविटीज़ इन बोथ द प्लांट एंड द एनिमल सेल्स एंड द वेरियस केमिकल रिएक्शंस आर ऑकर इन एरिना और साइटोप्लाज्म विच हेल्प टू कीप द सेल इन लिविंग स्टेट्स। अभी वो किस में हेल्प करता है सेल को लिविंग स्टेट में रखने के लिए? साइटोप्लाज्म विच एक्ट एज एरिना help in the performing the chemical reaction. That's why cell live in a living states. Cells are differ greatly in size, shape and the activities. अब इसके अलावा भी सेल क्या हो गया, बहुत सारे they are vary in the shape, size and the activities. Now we will see how many shapes of the cells are present. For example, mycoplasm, the smallest cell, are only 0.3 micrometer in length, while bacteria could be 3 to 5 micrometer in length. Smallest cell कौन सा हो गया अभी तक का? is the mycoplasm, which is only 0.3 micrometer in length, while bacteria it consists of 3 to 5 micrometer in length, and the largest isolated single cell is the egg of the ostrich. And among multicellular organism, human red blood cells are 7.0 micrometer in length or diameter. Now nerve cells are some of the longest cell. और नर्व सेल क्या हो गया? ह्यूमन सेल में, ह्यूमन बॉडी में लॉन्गेस्ट सेल है. सेल्स ऑल्सो वेरी ग्रेटली इन देयर शेप्स ऑल्सो. दे मे बी डिस्क लाइक, पॉलीगोनल, कॉलमनार, cuboid, thread-like or even irregular in shapes. All these are the shapes of the cell, and the shape of the cell may be vary with the function they perform. और वो जो परफॉर्म होता है उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है सेल का शेप. They perform the different function, that's why they are vary in their shapes. All these are the number and the size of and shape of the cell. So we will see about diagram showing the different shape of the cell. See, this is the diagram of the shapes of the cell. First, red blood cells. This is rounded or biconcave in shape. This is the white blood cells. It is amoeboid in shape. Both are present inside the blood. This columnar epithelial cell, it is long and narrow in shape, and it is present in our different parts of the body. This is the nerve cell. It is present in brain or in our nerve system. And this is the trichoid or elongated in shape. And this is the mesophyll cells, which is round and oval in shape. And both these are present in the plant cell. All these are the different shape of the cells. So students, next topic we will see in our next video. So if you like my videos, please like करें, share करें और subscribe करें.